Hi everyone, Bearstick is here. In this video, I will do something I've never done before and was scared to do. I will make my own one-of-a-kind dolls with my own hands. Let me warn you, I am not an artist and the end result is probably gonna be far from perfect, but it was my wish for so long and I decided to conquer my fears and try. In this video, I will share the process of creating this doll. Together, we will head to my friends who are professional doll artists and they will be teaching me. I'm very nervous, that's why. Please wish me luck and give this video thumbs up for bravery. Hi! Is this the place where the one-of-a-kind doll-making class happens? We are at Anna's place right now. It's a room in her apartment and also her workshop. This is Anna. We are also joined by Alena. Today they'll be helping me to create my doll. Let's start with the girl's introduction. Anna makes one-of-a-kind dolls. She's a doll artist. She mostly paints, but also makes outfits, right?
Yes.
And the doll's hair. Alena does the hair and makes outfits. Anyways, today these experienced ladies will try to help me, I hope. Let's check out Anna's dolls. How long have you been a one-of-a-kind doll artist?
I've been creating one-of-a-kind dolls for more than 3 years. Here I have a small collection. You can check it out.
By the way, in my collection there are 3 one-of-a-kind dolls made by Anna. One of them is Shirley Holmes, Sherlock Holmes' daughter. I also have a one-of-a-kind traveler doll and a one-of-a-kind doll on the horse, the latest and newest.
Since I love kitties so much, collecting all the basic cats of Monster High, they are here on the top shelf. I also kept the most peculiar characters of Monster High. This is Issy, Ava, and Sister Pearl, and Perry.
And the rest of the shelves
The rest of the shelves are my personal pieces of work.
Besides one-of-a-kind dolls based on monsters, Anna also worked with ball-jointed dolls, a versatile artist. I hope to learn how to paint the faces today. I hope I can.
I hope so too.
It's an expedited class. Actually, I'm very nervous and hope I can create something relatively cute. I really want it.
If you have a desire, everyone can.
And we have an inspiration and an emotional support pet here. Meet Alice. She is such a cute, slightly grouchy cat. She would make a perfect friend for Grumpy Cat. We can do it, right? Oh, the reaction makes me think I will not succeed today. That's it. Leaving you alone. This one-of-a-kind doll is gonna be based on the Frankie Stein Picture Day doll. As you may know, I love Frankie's mold and that's why I chose it for my first one-of-a-kind doll. To start working on the doll, we need to take off the makeup and cut off the hair first.
Head needs to come off first.
Ooh, that's right. Anna has a detailed masterclass on her channel how to remove the head, makeup, and get rid of the hair. In order to safely remove the head, Anna is getting hot water to soften it first. Meanwhile, we'll chop off Frankie's hair.
We pick up a row of hair and start cutting.
Here around her forehead. It feels like I'm mutilating the doll. Here is how the chopped off ponytail and half-bald Frankie look. Yay, the first step is done. Sticking knife into her head, a little weird. Anna is back with boiling water. She is about to cook Frankie.
In order to make it easier for Natasha to paint, I have a second head so she can watch me do it and copy. We need Q-tips to take off factory makeup. We need polish remover or acetone. Start on the outside of the eye and move towards the center. There's another way. Wet the entire cotton round, apply, press lightly, and boom, the eye is left here. Let's draw the eye shape.
Is this an eraser? Pencil? Eraser?
Pencil, eraser.
So I can erase and then redraw?
Yes, of course, just like that on paper.
I think I'm starting to like it. I got that thrill now. I'm really trying to make it nice. Listen, I am very particular about symmetry. I myself really like symmetrical, one-of-a-kind dolls.
You know how difficult it is for the artist.
Yeah, for sure. That's it, my doll is coming along nicely. Her lips look so pretty, she's starting to look so real. Yeah, it's not easy.
Hard life to be a one-of-a-kind doll artist.
It's so hard to paint symmetrical eyes.
Now they might seem completely different.
It's so hard.
It's expected. Look at mine. They're also not straight and different.
Mine are so crooked. Yeah, right, hers are straight.
No way, they're crooked and different, like she's looking in different directions. This is the first layer. It's ready.
She turned out so pretty, but it's hard.
We're gonna cover her with varnish now, then continue. You like her?
I really like her so far. I thought that mine will be very schematic, but thanks to Anna's thoughtful guidance, she's coming along looking very lively and natural, despite my lack of experience. After the first spray with clear varnish, we have a small hair under the layer, so we decided to cover it up with a beauty mark. That's how my cutie looks, way better than I expected. Basically, her face is ready. We spray it one more time with clear polish and add some glitter for a more lively look.
It's awesome for the first time.
Next step is the hair, and it's Alena's turn. Alena, please share your impressions from today.
It took them a long time to do the makeup. I had time to search everything and anything online and get tired, and to be bored to death and even annoy the cat.
So poor Alena was waiting all day, but now it's time to take center stage.
We thought about it and decided to make the primary hair color white. As you can see, it is goat fur. We will add a couple of color strands to this color.
I vote for the blue because it matches her eyes, and I would like, for example, to make it similar to Abby Abominable from Monster High, who has her colored strands hidden under the white.
Sure, and it will look something like this. To start with, we need to cover the head with sealing wrap, or like in our case, with a plastic bag. Then we take a dried wet wipe. We need to stick the head through. You're gonna pull from every side, holding it down, like that.
It looks like a mummification process.
After we are done with the hat, it needs to be dry for about 40 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll be making an outfit.
Okay. We chose this fabric. The base color is beige with pink and blue designs. It will match her blue eyes and hair.
Yes, it should be good. We also have this piece of lace here. It's cotton. Let's make her dress. We're not going to make a paper pattern. We're going to cut the dress pattern right on the doll out of fabric. Just like doing crafts when I was little.
Craft class.
Arts and crafts here.
Yes, I remember making a skirt once. It didn't come out that great.
I made some kind of skirt for myself as well once. You do this type of stitch. You pierce the fabric like that again, but pull the thread out a little further.
Oh my gosh, it's 12 o'clock midnight. After I spent 8 hours making one-of-a-kind doll, I'm learning to sew.
Keep on.
I can.
Finally, Natasha suffered through making this dress.
But guys, it was so difficult, I almost died. But the result is even better than I expected. The dress turned out puffy and beautiful. The final touch, adding the bow.
This bow on the top.
Yes, made out of blue silk ribbon.
Yes, we will glue it on top. Meanwhile, our silicone hat finally dried out. Let's pick up silicone with our fingers, between 2 fingers, and spread it around the edges.
Guys, it's really hard to make a wig. Maybe after you practice a lot. But the first time the hair keeps getting out and glued onto your hands. But it's the finish line and I need to hold on. This is the gnome we made. You can't even see the doll behind the wig.
Let's leave it to dry for now. And after it dries out, we'll brush it out. Last step is to wash the wig and style it. Put Natasha to sleep.
Yes, that too. After almost 12 hours, we made this one-of-a-kind doll. I made it, to be exact, with the girls' guidance. She will have a head, guys, and the end result I will show you at my house. The wig takes forever to dry and everyone is exhausted. I want to thank the girls. Today was just a day full of discoveries, many new things for me, and it was insanely interesting. Thanks, girls.
It was a pleasure to work with you.
I will be back to show you the doll in her full style, but let's say bye to the girls.
Bye-bye.
I want to demonstrate to you the doll's final image. I might change the shoes, but in general, here she is. A new doll that will be on my shelf, and I can't believe I made it myself. In fact, she turned out to be way better than I expected, and I realized that after all, I can make something with my own hands. And it's not as bad as I thought. The final touches were that I erased Frankie's scars, cut off her screws, and she is a completely different person now, with only a skin tone left from Frankenstein. Guys, I would love to inspire you to not be afraid to try new things. It's insanely interesting. I was able to conquer my fear of public opinion, that I won't be able to make an amazing doll, and that I will be discussed or judged. I overcame that, and as a result, I got a doll that is satisfactory for me, but it's, to say the least, I am crazy about it. Perhaps she will be the most precious one for me to some extent. I can assure you that if you can conquer your fear, step over yourself, and do something you've dreamt about for a long time, you will greatly enjoy it. See you in my new videos. Bye bye!